Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore overexposed clips in Final Cut Pro for natural skin. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore overexposed clips in Final Cut Pro, begin by opening your project. Select the overexposed clip in the timeline. Navigate to the color inspector by clicking on the color board icon. In the color board, focus on the exposure sliders. Reduce the exposure by adjusting the highlight slider to the left. Check the effect on the image and keep adjusting until you see improvement. Next, move to the midtones slider. Adjust the midtones to bring back detail in the skin tones. Be cautious not to underexpose the clip in this process. Visit the saturation section within the color board. Increase the saturation slightly to enhance skin tone vibrancy. Observe how the changes affect the overall look of the clip. If needed, fine-tune the shadow slider to restore deeper details. Now, switch to the color wheels. Utilize the lift wheel to control the dark areas. Adjust the gamma wheel to balance midtones. Pay close attention to the skin areas as you make these adjustments. Consider using the hue/saturation curves for more control. In the curve section, select the targeted adjustment tool. Click on the overexposed areas to refine adjustments directly. As you work, constantly compare your adjustments against the original clip. Once satisfied, consider applying a soft vignette to draw focus. This can be done using the effects browser. Find the vignette effect and drag it onto your clip. Adjust the parameters to create a subtle, natural look. Finally, play back the clip in the timeline. Ensure that the skin tones appear natural and pleasing. Your overexposed clip should now be restored effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.